is subject to 4G. The loop is done at 4G and the steep turn also is done at 4G. If you're not familiar with the term G, it's talking about G-force, and that'll make every pilot weigh 4 times the force of gravity subjected on him. So each one up there is weighing around 400 kilos in the cockpit. Setting up for the mirror fly past. Sisters are locating each other when separated. Behind the scenes, the Roulettes are supported by a dedicated group of highly skilled ground crew. In charge of maintenance today is Sergeant Wayne Francis. Originally hails from Lancefield in Victoria. He joined the Air Force in 1988 and has worked on various aircraft, including the Ford Air Control PC-9, the Mackie, the Hawk Jet Trainer. This is his second tour with the CF.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Ladies and gentlemen, the works to hold the rollbacks.
In honour of you, the paying public, in support of 9 decades of your RAAF.
If you'd like to know more information about a career in the Defence Force, you can visit our website at defencejobs.gov.au or by calling 13 1901. Of course, you can become a friend of the Roulettes on facebook.com. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed the display today, and on behalf of the team, I'd like to say thank you and farewell from the Roulettes. Keep a close eye at the completion of the movement as the team change back from the Vulcan to the wedge formation.
Against the chief force of interest, Captain Eugene Lynn, call sign Raider. experience the power of the F-16s in full afterburner.